blends smoothly into the surrounding plastic. After enough shaping, the repair almost disappears. The surface is finally ready for a fresh protective finish. A new coat of black paint covers the repaired enclosure, bringing the patched areas and original plastic together into one consistent surface. The next problem is the front grille. The old speaker fabric is torn, filthy, and far beyond anything that simple cleaning could save. The damaged cloth is stripped away completely, exposing the internal grille frame and revealing several broken structural sections underneath.